Hey guys, I know we're getting really close with the Skydive Connections website. I just wanted to say great job. I know it's been a long road trying to figure this out, but I just wanted to touch bases with you to make sure that we're tying this all together and also so that way somebody can log into the website and create these pages. So when they get to Skydive Connections, I want them to obviously be able to log in and register. When they log in, they'll come to the welcome page, which we may change the verbiage on this, but I just wanted to get this, going, obvious, to the point of being able to use it. And so here on the right-hand column, the manage drop zones, manage events, and portfolios. Those three obviously aren't created yet, but what we want to do at a later point is allow the person, once they've created these pages, to be able to come in and manage them. Find have a page where they can select them, and I guess the best way to explain it would be, um, you know, we'll give them user limited access to the pages back end, as far as the pages that that person's created specifically. And also, I just wanted to make sure that we're on the same page that when somebody comes to the website and registers, they're registering as level 0. And the reason why is because S2 member requires some type of payment for the other levels, which I didn't know previously. But I just want to make sure that you know that all of this is going to be free. So it has to all be level 0, um, level accessibility. Sorry, I was thinking about something else. All right, so when they click on create a drop zone, they're gonna go to drop zone page creation, and I've already created the pages, but I just need to make sure that it's all functioning. Choose a location is step 1, or they can click on step 1, and it'll take them to choose drop zone location, and then the username. That's fine for right now to leave. And again, this is, I know, a little bit tricky. I feel like what we should probably do at this point, just because the amount of time that's needed for this, is to have it available only for the US. So, region, well, I actually want to change that statement. Just I need to know how long it's going to take before we do any more increased functionality because of the time that's already been spent on this. But ideally, they would pick the region in the world. Once they do, they'll choose their country, and then obviously this is where it gets a little tricky because there's about 289 countries in the world. So once they choose a country, they're going to have to be able to choose a state. So they need to make sure that they're putting all these in the right spot. So for right now, obviously US is just the default. They go, and this is the same thing that we've already been working on. They click add page, and I haven't looked at this yet, but I just want to make sure that this quick page, post redirect, and S2 member are taken out for that user. I'll verify maybe you already did it, but I'll just double check. Okay, so going back to the welcome page, I don't know if you actually saw this part here is the breadcrumbs. And so I tried to get in and edit this page, and the template I couldn't locate. So I need to figure out where this is, but you have it as suggestions. I looked everywhere for that and couldn't find it. It may be hidden or something, but I couldn't update it. Either way, I wanted it to be able to have the breadcrumbs because in case the person wants to go back, obviously they can click the back arrow, but you always want to give them that option. So we need to figure that out. But what I did is this is partially why I need to make sure that everything is functioning properly, is because I added all of the breadcrumbs, meaning that I changed the page website addresses and what have you. And then so if they're on the main welcome page, I'll just do it through the menu just so you don't get confused. They click on create an event. They'll go to this page here, and I'm actually going to change this button just because I already did on the other one. I just didn't know. Create your image portfolio, create your event page. That's what you've been working on. And I'm also adding the create image portfolio here and manage portfolios eventually because I want them to be able to click on create image portfolio. And since this image portfolio is going to have so many different uses, then at a later point in time, they can access it from both pages. Anyway, going back to the create an event, they'll click on go to step one. Actually, I need to change the link obviously to that, but they'll get to the create image portfolio page. So they'll be able to create their portfolio and submit. And then obviously it's not working at the moment. Once they submit their portfolio, if they go through the steps here, then it needs to automatically reroute them to create your event page after they've clicked on the submit portfolio button. Either that, or since we're going to use it again, well, no, I don't want to do that. So um, once they create image portfolio, then it'll automatically take them to create event page. Okay, which I don't have it set up yet, but that's obviously the one that you've been working on for the events page. So um, everything is, like I said, getting close here down to the wire. Hopefully that explains everything. I'm going to go through and fix these couple things on the event page, but by the time you get to it, it'll be fixed. So that when they click on image portfolio, it'll take them here. Or if they click on step one, it'll take them there also. And anything else I think of, I'll record another video. Thanks a lot.